Hi, my name's Sarah Wooster. I'm a counsellor and psychotherapist in private practice, and I have a profile on the Counselling directory. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about online counselling. In recent years, online counselling has really taken off, and certainly it's a big part of my practice now. So working with clients online using platforms such as Skype or Zoom, which are easily downloadable in terms of you as the client and won't cost you anything. And there are real advantages to online counselling. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that. So why might you think about seeing someone online rather than face to face? Well, one of the really obvious reasons is sort of the practical flexibility of working online. So if perhaps you have mobility issues or any health issues that make it difficult to get out of the home or to get to a practitioner's office, then obviously working online is a really good solution. One of the other reasons can be if you live in an area where there aren't many practitioners, so say a rural area, and there may not be many counsellors or psychotherapists available to you. So by looking at practitioners that offer online working, you broaden the pool from whom you can apply to. So I think it really can be useful in that way. One of the other reasons why you might wish to work online is perhaps you're working from home or your work demands that you're not always in the same place. Therefore, being able to access your practitioner via your device, by your laptop, that really gives you some flexibility. One of the other main reasons why people think about seeing someone online is really pure personal preference. So it may be that for you, being able to stay in a place that you know, like the comfort of your own home, or a space in which you feel safe and peaceful, that can boost your confidence in terms of thinking about working with a counsellor or psychotherapist, certainly if you've never done that before. So for some of my clients, I know that working in this way it feels more useful to them than actually coming to see me face to face, and that of course is fine. An important thing to remember is that online counselling, the research that's been done into it, on the whole shows that it can be just as effective as seeing someone face to face. So you know that you are going to have as much chance of having a good outcome from working online as you would if you came to see someone in their office. I think one of the important things that I always say to my clients when we're thinking of working online is that in a way the onus is on you a little more than perhaps if you were coming to my office to see me. Because obviously I have a space that's already dedicated for counselling and therapy. It's a safe space, it's a quiet space, we're not going to be interrupted. So obviously working online, you then have to create a space for yourself in a similar way. So when I work with someone online, I will always send them some guidelines and some ideas about how to do that for yourself. So that's something to think about really in terms of working online, is do you have a space where you can be interrupted, where you feel that you can relax enough to be able to talk with your counsellor freely? Because if you can't do that, then I think it will begin to impinge on the work. So that's something to consider really. And I would expect any practitioner that you might work with online to be offering you some similar guidance. So really, all in all, there are pros and cons to working online, but on the whole I think it really can be a gateway into allowing a broader range of people to access the services that we offer. Thank you.